Good morning, children. Hope you all enjoyed your puja vacation. Welcome back to your EVS class. Lesson 6, topic water. Children, in the last lesson, we had learned about the different sources of water. And what was the main source of water? Yes, rainfall is the main source of water. Today, we are going to learn about the properties of water. So, children, now turn to page 39 of your EVS book, lesson 6. It says properties of water. Number 1, water is colorless. It means it has no color. Number 2, water is odorless. It has no smell. Number 3, water is tasteless, means it has no taste. Then last one, number 4, water has no shape. Yes, it takes the shape of container. Now children, let us learn the properties of water through this simple experiment. Number 1, it says water is colorless. It has no color. You can see I am holding jug of water, and now as I am pouring, it has no color. It is colorless. That means it is transparent. You can see, water is colorless. Now I am showing you another glass of water, and this water, it is not colorless. It has some color in it. It is orange in color. That means I have mixed orange color in it. So it has turned into orange. In the same way, if you mix blue color, it will turn into blue. If you mix green color, it will turn into green. So children, we have learned through this that water is colorless. See, it has no color. So the next property of water is odorless. It has no smell. Now children, we had learned that nose is the sense organs which help us to smell things. Now when you take the water, you just smell. So does this water smell? No, it does not smell. So we come to a conclusion that water is odorless. It has no smell. Now children, the next property of water is tasteless. It has no taste. Now let us again learn this through experiment. Now here I have 2 glasses of water, and both these glasses of water has no taste. Now you can see I have 2 bowls. In one bowl I have salt, and in another bowl I have sugar. Now if I mix this salt in this water will have some taste. Can you tell me what taste will get, children? Yes, this water will taste now salty. Now then I mix sugar in this big glass of water. See, and after mixing, what taste will I get? Salty or sugar? It will be sweet in taste, sugary in taste, or sweet in taste. So we come to the conclusion that water has no taste. If we mix sugar, it will become sweet. If we mix salt, it will become salty. So children, now last one, the property property of water is water has no shape. It takes the shape of container in which it is kept. Now here you can see I have a jug of water. So here the water has taken the shape of a jug. Now when I pour this water in the glass, it will take the shape of the glass. You can see here the water has taken the shape of the glass. Now if I pour this water in this bowl, the water will take the shape of a bowl. So you can see three containers are placed. The first one is the jug. So water has taken the shape of a jug. Next one, water has taken the shape of a glass, and the last one, the water has taken the shape of a bowl. So we come to the conclusion here that water has no shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. So, children, hope you have enjoyed this experiment. And in this experiment, what did we learn? We have learned the properties of water. That is, water is colorless, odorless, tasteless, and shapeless. That means it has no shape. Now, children, you can perform this experiment in your house with the water and the bowls. You can take the help of your parents to perform this experiment. Now children, as you have opened to page 39, the next one, it says save water. We should use water judiciously. That means we should use water wisely. We should not waste water. As you know, usable water is very limited. We should always reuse it whenever possible. Now, you should turn off the tap when not in use. And next, while you are bathing, use a mug so that to avoid wastage of water. And if there is a leakage in your pipeline, you should always repair the leaking taps. Now turn to page 40. It says reuse water. Reuse water means when you want to water the plants, you have to use the wastewater. Wastewater means suppose if your mummy is washing the vegetable in a bowl of water, instead of throwing that throwing away that bowl of water, what can you do? You can water it into the plants. Next, you can collect rainwater for later use. Now here you see it says, did you know Earth is called a blue planet as it is majorly covered with water? Children, now let us do written work in the EVS exercise book. Write the date on the top left hand side. Lesson 6, Water. Question G. Write true or false. Number 1. Water is colorless. Number 2. Water has smell. Number 3. Water has shape. Number 4. We should not waste water. Number 5. Earth is called the blue planet. Now children, write the answer and then I will discuss. Hope children, you all have solved true or false. Now let us see what you have written. Number 1. Water is colorless. True or false? Yes, it is true. Number 2. Water has smell. Does water has any smell? No. It will be false. Number 3. water has shape. Does water have any shape? No, it will be false. Water takes the shape of a container. Number 4, we should not waste water. Yes, it is right. We should not waste water. It is true. Number 5, Earth is called the blue planet. Yes, right, true. It is true. Children, your EVS lesson ends here. You will read page 39 and page 40. You will learn properties of water. Thank you.